Today, we're diving into the freshest tools on GitHub, projects that are brand new and open source. From coding agents to automation tools and portfolio template, these are the latest repos developers should know about. Whether you're hunting for a productivity booster or just love exploring developer creativity, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, meet SkillSeeker, a tool that turns any documentation site into a Claude AI skill in just minutes. Instead of spending hours reading and summarizing docs, SkillSeeker does the heavy lifting for you. It scrapes, categorizes, and enhances documentation using AI, then packages everything into a Claude-ready skill file. Developers can instantly generate skills for frameworks like React, Django, or Vue. Game devs can build one for Godot or Unity. Even teams can create private internal API skills, all in under 40 minutes, no API costs required. Next up, let's talk about Crypto Tax Calc, the open-source crypto tax calculator built for transparency, accuracy, and compliance. It automatically consolidates everything: trades, staking, NFTs, mining, airdrops, and transfers into clear, tax-ready reports across multiple jurisdictions. With its unified import engine, it detects your exchange data, fetches historical prices from APIs like CoinGecko or CryptoCompare, and generates detailed PDF or CSV reports, all in one command. Next up, Open Agent Builder, a visual workflow builder for creating AI agent pipelines. Powered by Firecrawl, it lets you design and run multi-step AI workflows using a drag-and-drop interface, no coding required. Build pipelines for web scraping, data extraction, research, or automation, and watch them execute with real-time streaming updates. It supports 8 powerful node types, from agents and MCP tools to conditional logic and human approvals, all backed by an enterprise-grade stack using LangGraph, Convex, and Clerk. This one's wild. Trace Anything takes any video, image pair, or even an unstructured image set and turns it into a 4D representation. It maps every pixel across frames into a continuous 3D trajectory, meaning you can literally track how every pixel moves through time and space. Built by ByteDance, this PyTorch model estimates trajectory fields in a single forward pass and even lets you explore them interactively in 3D. If you've ever wanted to analyze video motion or reconstruct dynamic 3D scenes, this is one of the most advanced open-source tools out right now. Ever wanted to generate photos with anyone? Literally? WithAnyone is a breakthrough in controllable and identity-consistent face generation. Unlike older methods that simply copy and paste faces, causing awkward artifacts, this model gives you full control over expressions, hairstyles, poses, and accessories, while perfectly preserving identity. Even cooler, it can generate multiple people in the same image, harmonizing every face naturally in a single, coherent photo. WithAnyone doesn't just synthesize faces, it builds moments that never existed, with stunning realism and total control. Chrome2NAS lets you seamlessly capture and download M3U8 video streams straight from your browser, directly onto your NAS. It detects streaming URLs in Chrome, sends them to your NAS with a single click, and auto-converts everything to MP4. Behind the scenes, it's powered by a fast API backend, Docker, Redis, and FFmpeg, with a job queue, parallel downloads, and real-time progress tracking. Whether you're archiving live streams or grabbing tutorials for offline use, Chrome2NAS makes it effortless and fully automated. Next up, SSH Dashboard, a live terminal dashboard to monitor your server's CPU, GPU, RAM, and disk usage, all in real time. Simply run it, select your hosts from your SSH config, and instantly see a live updating dashboard. It supports multi-host monitoring, overview modes, and interactive navigation. Think tmux-style switching with live stats. Built in Go and available as pre-built binaries for Linux, macOS, and Windows, SSH Dashboard keeps all connections active, updates as frequently as you like, and drops you into an interactive shell when needed. Next up, FastApps, the fast way to build ChatGPT apps using Python. FastApps eliminates the boilerplate and complexity of the raw apps SDK. With just 2 files per widget, a Python backend tool, and a React frontend component, you can register, run, and manage ChatGPT apps in minutes. It provides auto-discovery, type-safe pydantic validation, built-in OAuth authentication, and seamless hooks for state and global data. Build interactive dashboards, form widgets, visualizations, or API integrations, all without worrying about MCP tool registration or project setup. Next, we have Stark's Portfolio, a modern, interactive developer portfolio built with Next.js 15, Prisma, and Shadzine UI. It's a showcase of projects, skills, and personality, all wrapped in a polished, responsive interface. With Tailwind CSS for styling, Framer Motion for smooth animations, and ZooStand plus TanStack Query for state management, it's both beautiful and performant. Setup is simple. Clone the repo, install dependencies, generate the Prisma client, and your local portfolio is ready to explore. For deployment, Vercel makes it effortless. Next up, Paleograph, a browser-based 3D viewer designed for archaeologists who want to explore excavation datasets right in the field. It takes CSV exports of stratigraphic layers, finds, and spatial coordinates, and renders each artifact as an interactive object in a Three.js scene, all locally, so your data never leaves the workstation. Use it to rapidly inspect context sheets, compare finds across layers, highlight artifact categories, filter stratigraphy, and even export point clouds for further analysis in MeshLab or CAD applications. Next, meet PhoneDriver, a Python-based mobile automation agent that lets you control Android devices using Vision Language AI. Powered by Qwen3VL, it visually understands your phone screen and executes tasks via ADB commands. You can distractions in plain English, watch live screenshots, and track execution logs in real time through a Gradio web interface. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks, testing apps, or exploring new AI-powered mobile workflows, PhoneDriver bridges natural language, visual understanding, and device control, all in one powerful tool. Next up, Code Screenshot Generator MCP, a tool for generating beautiful, syntax-highlighted code screenshots directly from Claude. This MCP server supports multiple professional themes and allows you to screenshot code from files, select specific line ranges, or even visualize Git diffs. With batch processing, auto-language detection for 20-plus languages, and native integration with Claude Desktop and Claude Code, creating polished code visuals has never been easier. Whether for documentation, tutorials, or social media posts, Code Screenshot Generator MCP turns your code into professional, shareable imagery in seconds. Next, we have tangere-terminal, a designed 16-color palette for Unix terminals that balances aesthetics with legibility. Using complementary colors from the painter's color wheel, it avoids visual dissonance while maintaining high contrast between foreground and background. Whether you're running HTOP, Git, or editing code in Vim, the palette ensures every highlight, header, and line remains perfectly readable. Available in both light and dark versions, tangere-terminal enhances your terminal experience, making your CLI environment not only functional, but visually harmonious. Introducing FlashWorld, a model that generates high-quality 3D scenes in just 7 seconds from a single image or text prompt. FlashWorld breaks free from traditional 3D pipelines by combining the best of both worlds, the multi-view and 3D-oriented paradigms. It directly produces 3D Gaussian representations while maintaining stunning visual fidelity and perfect spatial consistency. Through its unique dual-mode pre-training and cross-mode distillation, FlashWorld delivers realism, speed, and efficiency, even on GPUs with just 24 gigabytes of memory. Up next, the Sora 2 AI Watermark Remover, a tool that analyzes video frames and uses inpainting to remove visible watermarks from Sora 2 generated footage. It automates frame-by-frame processing, then renders a cleaned video back to the user, handy for restoration workflows or cleanup when you have the right to edit the footage. Built with Python and FFmpeg, it offers both a local app and a web server interface, so you can experiment with automated video cleanup and restoration pipelines on your own machine. Next up, Mainline, a beautifully designed Next.js 15 template built with Tailwind 4 and Shadzine UI. It's a perfect starter for modern SaaS apps, landing pages, or personal sites that need sleek design and production-grade performance out of the box. You get a dark light theme system, form validation with React Hook Form and Zod, server actions with Next Safe Action, and MDX support for flexible content. Mainline also comes preloaded with pages like Home, About, Pricing, FAQ, and Contact, plus reusable UI blocks like hero banners, testimonials, and pricing tables, all mobile-ready and SEO-optimized. Next, meet Colored Highlighter, a simple command line tool that makes your terminal output instantly more readable. It highlights specific words in your logs or command output with bright, readable colors, perfect for debugging, tailing logs, or spotting key info in real time. Colored Highlighter automatically assigns colors from a pastel palette, or you can define custom hex colors for exact control. It supports case-insensitive matching, optional sound alerts, and handles overlapping matches gracefully, all while running fast enough for real-time streaming. Next up, ThinkDashboard, a lightweight, self-hosted bookmark dashboard built with Go and vanilla JavaScript. It's clean and completely minimalist, giving you a text-based interface where everything is just a keystroke away. You can assign keyboard shortcuts to bookmarks, create custom categories, and even tweak themes and colors to match your style. Whether you're running it on Docker or Go, ThinkDashboard works seamlessly across desktop and mobile, giving you a personal start page that's simple, customizable, and entirely under your control. Here's one for the OSINT crowd, Wayback URL Finder, a handy Chrome extension that lets you instantly discover archived URLs from the Wayback Machine. It's built for bug bounty hunters, security researchers, and digital archaeologists who need to dig through historical web data fast. You can search by main domain, wildcard subdomains, specific paths, or even sensitive file extensions like JSON, .sql, or .back. Just install it, click the toolbar icon, and watch it pull up archived URLs in seconds. Ever wish your coding agent could pull real answers straight from your own docs without making stuff up? Meet notebooklm-skill, a bridge between Claude Code and Google's NotebookLM. This Python skill lets Claude Code chat directly with NotebookLM for zero hallucination, citation-backed answers grounded in your notebooks, powered by Gemini 2.5. No more feeding hundreds of files, no embeddings, no vector DBs, just your knowledge base, instantly accessible. If you're running Claude Code locally, this skill turns it into a knowledge-powered coding assistant that always cites its sources.